Hey developers, Fospha is hiring for the junior software engineer role for the Mumbai location. Talking about the required skills, hands-on coding Python experience, hands-on SQL experience. In SQL, they want data transformation, not just a CRUD operations. Experience of working with data processing pipeline, knowledge of AWS Cloud, experience of working with Jira, experience of working with Git or Bitbucket. Good to have if you have experience in data modeling, CI/CD pipelines, DBT. What they offer, competitive compensation, which means good salary, and other requirements you can read here. And talk about the eligible batch 2023, 24 and 25 are eligible to apply here. So apply now, link in the description. Subscribe for more job updates and comment for more details.